Hi there. I'm working in a manor house at the moment, and we're trying to fix this cistern lid, which has just basically got old. I'll show you some images of it. So work is on progress here. The issues we're trying to handle are this kind of staining that is coming through the top of the cistern. It's basically just getting old and starting to craze. The water is actually managing to get into it somehow. And right above it here we've got this hairline crack in the cistern lid. What's a bit difficult on this particular thing is that the colour of the base of the cistern is quite a bit darker than the colour of the top. So I'm having to make two colours to carry out this repair rather than just one. So extra bit of work there. Okay, so we've done the job on this cistern. As I said to you, we discovered that there's two different colours here. The top one's kind of a light beigey colour, and the cistern proper is actually a sort of greeny colour. I'll give you a closer look right now. Yeah, so as you probably remember, this cistern was all kind of crazed and a bit kind of grotty looking at the top there. So that's all been blended in. You can see the shine rippling across there. I've managed to blend it all in fairly evenly. Here's the top here. There's a crack somewhere. There's a crack around there somewhere. And I found a few more on this edge here, so I did them as well. And yeah, blended it out. It's quite an old finish on that, so yeah, it's quite crazed in different parts. Anyway, we've tried to sort of duplicate the sort of aged look, and yeah, tough job done. Okay, so I am Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam, bath resurfacing and bathroom fixture repairs, and any hard surface repairs like granite or marble. Okay, call us if you need us.